so. I don't know. If I am late, it ain't my fault. My name is Rakita. For those who are new here, where luxury has no limits, and let's be friends. In order to be friends, all you gotta do is hit the subscribe button. And listen, please, please, please. Alright? What you think I was too proud to beg? I ain't too proud. I ain't too proud to beg. No. Come on, let's be friends. Stop acting like that. Don't act like that. I promise I'm a good friend. With the exception of Sunday. Listen. I know y'all like, what happened to you Sunday, friend? I was about to say it ain't my fault, but that would have been a whole lie. And that's not what we do over here in this friendship. We don't lie. See, what had happened was, listen, I've been on a struggle bus. I ain't gonna lie. Okay, nothing happened. I was on the couch. I was on the couch in my feelings because I'm tired. Okay? I am tired. This boot, these crutches, this scooter, this chair. I'm tired. Alright, and I ain't want to do nothing but stay on the couch. But listen, me and my little sad state and everything, because I'm tired, like, set me free. I want to be free, okay? And with this injury, if you new here, I hurt my leg because I wanted to be the cute version of Neil Armstrong. Lance Armstrong? Who the bicycle man? The bicycle man. Whoever he is, the cute version, okay? I wanted to be the cute version of him, and I had an injury, and I hurt my leg, I hurt my ankle. It's a thing. It was a whole thing. And because of that, I ain't been able to walk. And, it's... I'm in my feelings. Allow me a second, okay? So, I went with it Sunday, alright? But, there was a bright side to my laziness. Okay? The bright side was... my husband brought me something. He brought me something. So what happened was, I'm gonna hurry up, okay? Don't talk about it. I'm gonna hurry up, okay? See, what happened was, he said it looked like I could use a little pick-me-up, alright? So he said he brought, now this was a surprise to me. This was a surprise to me. Yesterday, I was minding my business. Yesterday was, what was yesterday? Tuesday. I was minding my business. Today is Wednesday. So it's not in the box. This is not a true unboxing because I opened it because he was like, here. And I was like, oh, that's a UPS box. What happened? What's that? Right? Because, you know, he a little on the cheap side. I was going to say frugal, but that would have been a lie. Okay? It's straight up cheap. Okay? So I was like, what's this box for? And then when I opened, now before I opened it though, here was his disclaimer. He said, I ordered this on Sunday because you look like you need a little pick-me-up. So I was like, oh, you got me a gift? He said, yes, I got you a gift. However, I'm like, however, how the word however coming after gift? Gift and however don't go in the same sentence, sir. He said, well, it does. This is a gift. However, don't ask me for nothing for Christmas, your birthday, and then 2 birthdays after that. And I didn't even get to pick it? Like, I don't think that's the rules of gifts. I don't think that's how they define the word. But because I didn't want him to take it back, because I didn't know what it was yet, I was like, all right, I ain't gonna talk shit yet. You know what I'm saying? I was like, I ain't gonna talk smack yet. Let me open it first. And I'm glad I did. Okay? Who's smart? She is, because he didn't take it back, because I act like I was appreciative. Alright, so let's get in the box. Alright. This is his, okay. It's his receipt. Alright. You see one receipt, you see them all. Alright. Now, he said he picked this one out because he liked it and he saw me looking at it. But that's, if you, oh, Jesus. Now listen, if y'all new here, y'all might not know the criteria for my husband buying me Louis Vuitton, okay, is he gotta like it. If he ain't like it, he ain't spending his money. That's just how it go. Cheap. I told you cheap, okay? But here it is. So I want to show y'all, just in case You was thinking about it and you wanted to see it first. It is the Louis Vuitton 2023 animation version of the Felicie. I was so excited when I opened this box, because when I opened the UPS box, I saw the orange peeking through. I was like, no, he didn't. No, did he? But did he? And he did. He did. I didn't know what it was, because I didn't know he saw me, which I don't know if I should be a little concerned, because that's a little stalkerish, like how you know what I was looking at, sir. But you know what? Stalk me. If this is what comes out of it, stalk me, sir. Just play it. I just don't stop me. So he must have saw me looking at it. Oh, he probably shot a screenshot in my phone. I don't know. But he got it. He said he approved because he liked it. So I'm down for it. Now, if you don't know, the animation collection came in the summer Christmas version and then the winter Christmas version. I am not sure why he chose the summer. Probably because it has like this bluish green teal, and that's his thing. That man love him some blue. But I'm kind of glad he did, because the winter version obviously it has a winter picture animation and it kind of screams winter, right? But with the summer animation, I can wear this spring, summer, and into autumn. In my mind anyway. Okay, so let's get into it. It is a Felicie, right? But it has this beautiful micro sweat. Oh, that's soft. That is soft, honey. All right. Now, this is my first Felicie. I know you like, girl, why are you excited over a Felicie? It's been in Louis Vuitton's lineup for 800 years, okay? And it has. And it has. But I ain't got one. All right. This is my first one, friend. Go with me, friend. Okay? I said that a little bit angrily. Angrily is that word? Angrily, okay? My bad. I apologize. But you know, it's my first one. Let me live this. Alright. So it has this microfiber hot pink fuchsia. Hot pink fuchsia. I don't know, pick one. I think they both apply. One day I'm gonna get professional. No, I'm not. Because then y'all gonna be like, girl, why she on this camera fronting? Okay. So it comes with 2 inserts. Now, most people sell their inserts because, listen, you with the inserts you ain't getting nothing in there, okay? But I'm not. If I'm not gonna use them, I'm probably just going to store them. So I did check this out last night. You can put how I intend to use it. It does come with a chain. Okay. How I intend to use it, because this is my phone. This is an iPhone 15 Pro Max. So it does fit my phone. Okay. And then I plan to use just the card holder. And then if you slip the card holder back here, and then you just stick a little lip gloss on the side. Lipstick on the side, lip gloss. I got a lip gloss. A lip gloss at the top. Right? Like this. It works. Do it work? Did I just lie? No, that worked. Look, that worked. Stop playing. That worked. Okay. So this ain't carry your whole life. Okay. This is a little cute moment with your little phone, a lip gloss, maybe a little cord or two, you know. If you got keys, hold them. I don't know. Or hold your phone. I don't know. But this works. Now you can also just not use either one, and then just stuff everything in the small little compartment. Okay, it does have a slip pocket in the back. And then this card holder has 1, 2, 3, 4, 8 card slots, and then a top card slot right there. Not a card slot, child. A top slip pocket. So some bills, you know, some dollar bills, 8 cards. And then this is just a pouch, zippered pouch, and then here we go. But honestly, I'm probably either going to use this without the inserts, which I think is like most people, or I'm going to use just the card and the bill holder. Listen, don't be making fun of me. I know this, like, okay, I'm very limited emotion right now. All right, and I'm on my way to my appointment. Hopefully that's going to change. Okay, I got my orthopedic surgeon appointment. He gonna check my leg because I'm like, sir, when can I start walking? I'm tired, Cletus. Okay, and then I gotta go get my hair washed. No, I can't wash my own hair. All right, I'm in distress. Need to go get it washed. But real quick, let me show you my height. Oh no, my height. Okay, here we go. Now I am 5'8" for reference. Okay. Now if I fall, I'll be mad at y'all. I know you ain't tell me to do it. I'm still be mad. Okay, listen. All right, 5'8" for reference. Not too bad of a height. Okay. She feeling it. She feeling it. Okay. See, this is how I got into this mess in the first place. But I do want to try this with my trusty, what do I want to try this with? Do I want to try it with my pochette, my T-strap? No, I'll try it with my Speedy 20 strap. No, I can't, because that's color. Shut up! Alright, hold on. Alright, here we go. Now, I'm going to try it because, like, if you like me, anything with the gold chain or strap makes it look extra fancy. Child, I do this every time. Every time, Rakita. Where is your monogram strap?
One eternity later.
Y'all, I don't know where it's at. I ain't lying. I don't know where that monogram strap at. It's somewhere. Child, am I gonna choke myself? Probably. Okay. It's somewhere, but I found this. I said found. Child, this is how you know I don't keep up with my stuff. I found this. What strap is this from? Oh, my No ABB strap. I found this Pochette strap. It is off my No ABB. Okay, let's see how that works. Alright, wait a minute. Alright. Now that is the longest setting. How that look? How that look? Alright. Hold on, let me pose now. Pose. I like it. Ooh, I like it. Especially since I didn't buy it. Okay, good people. That is it. That is my unboxing of the 2023 Christmas animation in the Felicie. So here's my opinion, okay, that nobody asked for when it comes to the animation collection. If you have a piece from any year animation collection, you don't need no more. You don't need no more. Unless you want a different item from the animation collection. Example, I got the animation collection in 2019. Am I lying? 2019, 2018. One of them years, okay? 2018, 2019 passport cover, because I thought the passport cover was safe for the animation collection, because my fear with the animation collection is that the color is going to fade, the picture is going to scratch, it's going to chip off. Okay, so I thought the passport cover was a great way to get a piece of it, because I'm only going to use my passport cover when I'm traveling internationally, right? So less usage, it's not going to be handled as much. Boom, 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 got a little piece, right? And then I think in 2020 I brought the bandeau. I don't know why. I don't know why, because I don't even be using bandeaus like I was supposed to, but I got it. And then this year, well, my husband got me. I was about to say I got it, but you know, he saw me looking at it, so I get a little credit. He got me the Felicie because I don't have a Felicie in my collection, and it is a staple piece. I never bought a monogram, just a plain monogram classic Felicie, because child, I got other bags I could use for a Felicie. So I wanted a Felicie, but I didn't want a monogram Felicie because, listen, we can use toiletry 26, we can use What else can we use? We could use her. We could, like, I didn't want to migrate Felicie. So the animation was a great way for me to get the Felicie with a little twist, okay, with a little fun on it, okay, spring a little fun on top of it. That is a great way for that. But besides that, listen, you don't need everything from the animation collection. You don't need a key collection. You don't need a mini potion. Like, you don't have to buy everything in the animation collection, especially every year. Okay, that's just my opinion. That's just my opinion. Now, if you're a collector, collect on now. Collect on. But of course, if you haven't already, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Turn on the notifications so you don't miss a video from me. And then keep up with me on the daily. I'm on TikTok, Instagram, Facebook, So listen, let me tell you about that. Because I know y'all be talking about me. I know y'all do. Because I be talking about me. Y'all, I think my daddy be talking about me. I know I'll be like, keep up with me on the daily. I'm on Instagram. And you be like, girl, you on there like once a month. And you right. You right, girl. I be throwing my little picture up there and I be deucing. I listen, okay. Don't talk about me too bad. But I did have a thought, and let me know what y'all think in the comments. If I do a, what them called now? A Facebook group. If I do a Facebook group, what you doing? Because I'm a lot more on Facebook. And don't clown me either. I am more on Facebook. On Facebook. So if I do a Facebook group, like, can y'all talk to me there? Because I know, like, I be want to say stuff to y'all. Y'all be want to say stuff to me during the week. And, like, I can't be checking my DMs. Half the time I don't even know a DM is in the DM. Okay? So if I make a Facebook group for me and my friends, would y'all join it? Let me know what you think about that. But I mean, you could go ahead and follow me. Don't play like that. Follow me on TikTok, Instagram, Facebook at Rakita's Closet. And I will see you beautiful people in the next one. Okay, bye.